Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the earbuds and the case. This matters because low battery prevents pairing. First, confirm the case LED or earbuds show charge and plug in for 10-15 minutes if needed. Once done, open the case fully and take both earbuds out. Many Soundcore models power on automatically when removed. If they do not, press and hold the touch area for about 2-3 seconds to force power on. This gives the earbuds enough time to initialize. Next, you put the earbuds into pairing mode so your phone or laptop can see them. After powering on, watch for alternating LED flashes or a spoken prompt. This shows Bluetooth pairing is active. If not automatic, press and hold the touchpad or button for 5-7 seconds until lights flash differently. That forces pairing mode. Then, make sure Bluetooth on your device is on, scan for the Soundcore model name, and tap to connect. This creates the audio link you need. Finally, you verify the connection and tweak settings for reliable sound. Once paired, check your device's audio output and choose the earbuds. Play a test clip to confirm left/right balance. If audio fails or one bud won't connect, reset the earbuds by holding both buttons for 10+ seconds, then repair. This clears glitches. Make sure to open the Soundcore app and update firmware when prompted. Updates resolve bugs and improve battery life, so they're worth installing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.